Welcome to Cool Trip Walks. I take you walking through fun and beautiful places, just like you're there. Whether you're planning a trip or just want to relax, these walks are for you. From mountain trails to beach towns, close to home and across the world. Where will we walk today?